Alright, hi peeps.
Dude, this is noob.
Alright, it's, oh god. We're having a nerf war, as you can see. Georgie, Cosmo Econo, I think it is, right? Cosmo Econo. There he is. Alright, his gun's jammed. And then there's, Savage Doge. And then there's the guy that's about to have a channel. Soon, it'll come. Stop it! Aaron's shooting all the bullets before we even started. Georgie, you can use that gun. Oh my god. Alright, run! Georgie, you ready? Aaron? Wait, what? What? Yeah. I thought you were saying. No, we're not ready, we're not set, and we're not go. Alright, that's a 10 dart mag. Yeah, we'll do 3 lives. Ooh! No. Yeah, because it's windy. Aaron. Woo! Aaron, you have horrible aim. Aaron has horrible aim. Aaron has horrible aim. Sup, dude?
I'm using blue gun.
Sad, dude. Alright, ready? Alright.
Noobs!
Well, Georgia, battery fell out.
Yeah, I know. I was looking, I was like,
I don't know where the door went for that. Is it in the right way? Alright. It's not modded.
It's good in the hood!
It's not modded, okay?
Good in the hood!
Alright, ready? Alright, let's make some bases. Alright, everyone choose your bases. Ryan, let's do this. So it's Ryan against Savage Doge and Cosmo Econo. Alright, well, choose a place. We didn't start yet! We didn't start yet! Not blue gun. And it's flimsy too. Don't even do it, Aaron. That's one! Aaron lost one! Oh shoot. Ah! Still heavy. Dang it. Oh, that's one. Oh! So Aaron has one more life. No, he shot you in the butt. And he hit you right in the butt. I don't know, Ryan, why is the round flying? Wait! Ah! Yeah, so Aaron just got lucky there.
That was not luck, that was all skill.
You don't have skill. Alright, so I'm going to cut ahead into the video while we reload. Screw you, Aaron. Alright, we're back. Oh, that didn't count because we're on the same team. Aaron, I would waste you right now. Nukes. Guys, you know how nukes? Aaron, you idiot! Alright, Aaron's going to be killed. Oh! Oh! There's the board! Strat! You dead, Rin. Gotta use the tabs. Hey, baby. Oh! That's 3 deaths. Yes! Dang it. Actually, Aaron, I won this one for you. Alright, so that was a quick one. Because Aaron died, so we're going to do another round. And, yeah. See you guys next round. Alright, the video has started. Here we go. They're turning on each other. That doesn't count. No, it doesn't count. Oh, dang it. Good shot. Almost. Almost. You get the high ground, loser. We just can't snipe because we're that awesome. Oh, I got him! That skimmed his leg. Aaron has 1 life left, kids. He's out. Got him! I got him! I skimmed his butt! God damn it. Why would you freaking die? What the fuck? We can't hit a non-moving target. This is so gay. Oh, shoot! Dodges! Ooh. Oh, he's out! He's out! He's out! He's out! He's out! Charge him! Charge him! Charge him! Oh, frick my phone. No, phone! Don't leave me! There he is. Shoot me! Okay. Headshot him. Ryan, you want me to nuke you? Nuked. 1 left. How much do I have? Oh, shoot. Let's nuke them together. Charge! Don't let him intimidate me. Last shot. Oh! George, I think I'm out. 2 shots. He's on arms. Oh, double kill! We won! Alright, so that was it. I think we have time to do 1 more round of free-for-all, alright? So we're gonna go. We're gonna do 1 more round. It turns out we had time for a free-for-all. I think the original plan was to gang up on Aaron, but I don't think that plan is succeeding now because Georgie's chasing Ryan. And it's kind of funny. Oh shit, where'd Aaron go? Alright, so we lost Aaron. I don't hear him. Oh, he's camping out. I see him. Alright, I'm gonna go and nuke him. Sniper attack! I was gonna stand here. Did you get him? Gunshots count. No, gunshots don't count. Can I get him? No! Stupid nukes. Oh! Sniped! Oh, yes, it is. Hang. It's on fire. Alright, so I think he's got 2 shots on him. Georgie, back up. Nuke him? Dang it, I lost my nuke.
Oh no, I'm out of nuke!
George, come closer. Back off, he's not worth it. Yet. We'll team up. Just wait for him. Don't let him collect them both. Don't go on the field, Aaron. Georgie, cut him off. George, we can clear him. Shoot him. Get ready. Aaron, Ryan, don't go over there. You're gonna shoot the people. That's 2 hit. You're dead. No, I got you before. Yeah. Oh God, Georgie, can you collect all those bullets right now? Even though the round is not over yet, I can go ambush Georgie anytime. Anywhere, anytime. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, but he can't ambush me too, so I'm gonna 6. Okay, so this free-for-all might be a little boring, only because Georgie, you gotta collect those. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Where are you? Yo! Oh, Georgie's nuke. A gun. But no one won yet! I don't know if anyone realized that it's a free-for-all, but I did. So I'm just gonna go kick Georgie's ass. Yeah, I know. And so I stole your nuke. Your nuke is my nuke is back there, but I was too lazy to get it, so I just took yours. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna cut ahead in the video. Never mind. I was gonna cut ahead, but I will. Get to the nuke! How much hits do you have on you? Oh! Dang it! How much hits do you have on you? One. That's 1, right? Forgot to hit that. Oh, I hate your gun. Oh, oh, they hit you. All right, come on, Megan, don't film me. I'm gonna wait this out. Strat, 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 strat. That's it. Yes! No, I already killed you though. Because nuclear missiles count as 2.
Wait, does headshot count?
Yeah.
Oh, wait.
No, wait, no, they hit the GoPro.
Oh, damn it!
Alright, that was a good round.
Your headshot.
Oh!
Fuck your GoPro.
Whew, that was close. Alright, so
Oh, yeah, we're still
that was, George's gonna do last shot of the night.
I'm just
Do it,
saying.
George. Last shot of the night. Okay, we're last shots of the night. And there goes the nuke. Alright, so thank you for watching.
This is swag! Don't turn
Yeah.
it off yet. The only reason I was the worst one each round is because I had a terrible gun.
Yeah. Alright, so that's a message from Ryan. There's Aaron. We'll be back here next time, alright? So maybe, yeah.
We might smoke weed or something.
Yeah. Alright,
On camera.
so bye.